Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Time with Vasu. Today we are going to learn alphabets. A for apple. Yummy yummy apple. Apple apple. B for ball, bouncy bouncy ball. Ball ball. C for cat, cat. Cat. D for dog, dog. Dog. E for egg, egg. Egg. F for fish, fish. Fish, fish. G for goat, goat. Goat. H for horse, horse. HORSE, horse. I for igloo, igloo. IGLOO, igloo. G for jelly, yummy jelly. JELLY, jelly. K for kite, kite. KITE, kite. L for lion, scary lion. LION, lion. M for monkey, monkey. MONKEY, monkey. N for nest, nest. NEST, nest. O for orange, orange. ORANGE, orange. P for parrot, parrot. PARROT, parrot. Q for queen, queen. QUEEN, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. RABBIT, rabbit. S for sun, hot sun. SUN, sun. T for tiger, scary tiger. TIGER, tiger. U for umbrella, U umbrella. 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 V for van. 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 W for well. 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 X for X-ray. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. Y for yak. Yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z for zoo. Zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. If you like my video, please click on the subscribe button, like